Hi everybody, it's Sally here with some more Dixie Belle fun. Today we're going to talk about gator hide, which is a very tough and durable top coat that you might choose to go on top of your painted furniture or cabinets or tabletops. It will offer it's water repellent, water resistant, which is really great for things like tabletops and cabinetry and things like that. So I'm going to demonstrate on this little table. This is an end table. I dry brushed a set in the color drop cloth. And to dry brush and get this look, you just put your brush in your paint, get a little bit on, wipe a little bit off, and go until your brush is dry, and just continue that technique. So if you paint like this, or if you like to antique it, or if you like to do just a smooth, clean finish, you can choose how to protect your work. You don't have to seal Dixie Belle paint. If you want to, we have many options. One is the easy peasy spray wax, which is what I used on the bottom. There's not an easier product, and it gives you a great look. We have new Best Dang wax, which of course is going to give you a wax finish in clear, and we have some colored as well. And the satin clear coat and the glossy clear coat are really nice options to apply to make your piece wipeable in two different finishes. And then Gator hide is the newest finish, and it just offers more protection than the other, and it's going to give you a nice low sheen, really nice finish. So we also have new to retailers is this sponge. And instead of applying with a brush, you might really like using the sponge. You might not find, you won't have brush strokes, and it's just your hand feels like you're moving it around a little bit. You might have a little bit more control. So we're going to do that. But before I do this, I want to make sure I talk to you about cure time, which when you're using the gator hide, you want to be respectful of. So if I've painted a piece, I want to wait a day or two before sealing with gator hide. If I've done the top of this in the no pain gel stain, I want to wait 3 or 4 days before applying my gator hide. And if I've waxed, I want to wait a week before I put the gator hide on. Okay, so it's probably 3 light coats is going to give you just an excellent finish, and you're going to want to let at least 2 hours between coats. And after your final coat, let your piece continue to cure a couple days, before you're ready to use it. You're going to be happy if you take your time with the process in using this. So, okay, so here we have our new sponge. We're going to dip it in. We're going to get a little excess off, and we're just going to put it on. You're going to be able to use this sponge with our other products as well. We have somebody who likes to use paint with the sponge. You can apply our wax or our clear coat with the sponge too. If you choose the satin clear coat, you're going to want to dampen your sponge before you apply, just because that formula is a little bit thicker. It will glide on a little bit better for you if it's damp. But here I've just done dry sponge, and I'm using long strokes, dampen when I need to. Thin coats is what you want to do, but using the sponge kind of eliminates the brush strokes that you might have been seeing, and really does kind of eliminate drips too. So you're going to have a nice low sheen. You're going to let that dry a couple hours and recoat until you have probably 3 thin coats. And again, it's a water repellent, water resistant, tough, durable finish that I think you'll really enjoy.